So I've talked a little bit about preferred and common, and I just want to go into a little bit more about exactly what preferred means. So think of it as a different class of stock. So common is just the common stock. It's plain vanilla. You have equity and voting are all together. And preferred is like super premium stock. And it goes alongside the common, but it has a bunch of extra rights. Mostly the ones that I've talked about before, in addition to specified board seats, registration rights, meaning they can force registration on an exchange, which would make the shares sellable in public. Information rights to find out things about the company, how it's operating, which stockholders generally have a more limited right to, but preferred stockholders tend to get stronger rights to, and other kinds of provisions. So what this looks like is, this is a preferred round. So basically you have your common stock on the left, and you have it split up among your founder and all your employees and consultants and your co-founders. And then you have someone who's going to come in. You have an investor coming in and they say, we want to invest, but we don't want any of that dirty common stock. We want the good stuff. Give us the preferred. So you create a whole new class of stock on the right, and you can see it's layered below in the red. The common stock actually stays the same. You're not selling any common stock. Investors aren't buying any common stock, and they could. Sometimes that happens. But more often, they just create a whole new class, and they're going to own all of that class. So now they have this preferred series of stock. And that could have any or all of the rights there, and exactly what those rights are going to be, and what the multipliers on the dividend participation are going to be, are really going to vary depending on the deal. But the key takeaway is that the preferred stock is there, sort of layered next to the common stock as another class of equity with a whole different set of rights, and their rights tend to be much stronger than the common.